all, so today let's explore about the dynamic duo of the Vata and the Pitta constitution. So, does this dynamic combination happen? Of course, it can happen. It is not like that a person is born with only Vata Prakriti, only Pitta Prakriti, or only Kapha Prakriti. Yes, the duo combination can happen. Not can happen, the duo combinations are present for each and every individual. It can be Vata Pitta, Vata Kapha, Pitta Kapha, or Vata Kapha. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start. Okay, so you know that there are some people who are having 100 of ideas. They may be starting 10 projects at once. But at the same time, what they are doing, they have to stop in the middle because they are burned out. Okay. Or you can see some persons who are very passionate, okay, but at the same time they are also anxious, suffering from acidity, skin issues and frustrated. So this duo comes in Vata Pitta constitution. So what are the specialities of Vata Pitta constitution? Let's explore more into this video. So Vata is a combination of Vayu and Akasha. And what is Vadam doing inside our body? Actually, Vayu is governing all the movements inside your body. It controls your breath, your circulation, your elimination. And how about your Pitta? Pitta is the fire inside your body. It is made mainly of fire element and a less amount of water element. Pitta is having the role of digestion, metabolism, control and focus. So that is the role of Vayu and Pitta inside our body. Then when these two duo combinations are there, you can feel anxious, frustrated at the same time. Okay, so let's rule out how the body constitution of these people will be. So the body constitution of these people will be, they are not too much of lean, okay, and they are not too much of obese. So they are the people who can gain the weight easily or they can lose the weight easily. And when they will be gaining weight? Obviously, if there is any lifestyle changes or any stress. Okay. And how about the hair? The hair of the Vata Pitta persons is fine to medium. Okay. So, but these people are easily prone to early graying of hair, early thinning of hair, early breakage of hair. Okay, and how about their skin? This people is blessed with combination skin type. So what is combination skin type? Yes, they may be having dryness in these areas and they may be having oiliness in these areas. So which is these areas? That is in the T-zone area. Which are the T-zone areas? Forehead, nose and chin area. Okay, so obviously they will be suffering from a dry skin, flaky skin, acne, breakouts, etc. And when it comes to their digestive system, okay dears, never compromise with your food because if you are compromising with your food, definitely you are going to suffer from acidity, ulcer, gastritis, GERD type of diseases. Okay, so your digestive system, it is a combination of both Vata and both Pitta. Sometimes you will be having so much of hungry. Sometimes you will never be hungry. Okay, but anyway, you have to take care of your digestive system. Never postpone your meal timings. It is very important. And regarding your emotions and regarding your mind, when it comes to your mind, it is very important because your mind health is very important. It is not like that you are telling yes to each and every project because if you are telling yes to each and every project, you will be easily burnt out. Yeah, you may be a workaholic. Okay, that means that you have to channelize your energy very wisely. Okay, yeah, as you are a combination of Vata and Pitta, Vata people will be having 100 ideas and Pitta, but they will not be following up. But how about Pitta? Pitta can follow up and execute this. So, you can execute these ideas well, but take care of your mind, health and energy level. So, when it comes to your energy comes in burst actually. As you are a Pitta person, you are a passionate person. But as you are a Vata person, you can be scattered also. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to combine both of these energies together. Okay, and you have to remain focused and concentrated. Okay, so when it comes to your energy, mind and all, and finally, what I want to tell you is that yeah, regarding the health issues, always take care you are not more indulging in more spicy hot foods and all. Because if you are indulging in more hot and spicy food, definitely it is again going to create a lot of blood impurities inside your body, heat inside your body. Because of that, a lot of health issues. Of course, acidity, ulcer, migraine, many of these skin issues can happen. Okay, so it is very important to take care of your body, mind and health. And when it comes to your bedtime, many of the Vata Pitta patients used to tell me that they are finding it very difficulty to go to sleep. Why they are finding it difficulty to go to sleep? Because they will be having 100 ideas because of Vata and the Pitta which is keeping on making them irritated and anxious. Okay, but we can't tackle all of these. Don't think like that, oh my god, why this doctor is telling only negative things. Okay, so let's discuss how we can tackle all of these things. Okay, so what is the first main thing you have to do? As always, as I'm telling is early to bed, early to rise. And how must be the room you're going to sleep? Can you sleep in a room which is completely filled with a lot of lights and all? Definitely not, because your mind will be so much a factor, isn't it? And if you are not getting enough sleep, what is happening? Definitely you will be feel irritated. You will be having sleeplessness, you will be having insomnia, you will be having hormonal fluctuations in the future also. Okay, so maintain that room in a cool temperature. It have to be a dark room. Okay, 2 hours before, definitely stay away from all the electronic gadgets, because this can make sure you are getting a sound peaceful sleep. So you are going to bed early, you are having a peaceful sleep. Then what's the next thing you have to do? As soon as you wake up early in the morning, do a gratitude prayer or meditation. Very important. Your mind peace is very much important, dears. Nowadays, psychological cases are increasing a lot. Okay, so start your day with a meditation or prayer. After that, what are you going to drink? Are you going to drink your regular tea or coffee? Don't go with that, dears. Instead, what you have to do? Drink water boiled with cumin seeds. When you are drinking the water boiled with cumin or coriander seeds, it is actually cooling your system. Okay, so let's go with this cooling drinks. Then after that, which type of exercises will be better to you? Of course, swimming, tai chi, yoga, these all exercises are good for you. Never go with any rigorous of exercise, because your body, it will aggravate again the vata inside your body. Okay, then some nature walks, spending some moment with nature. If there are 7 days in a week, let me tell you one thing, let one day be unplanned. You can meet your friends, you can enjoy the moments. Okay, it is not like that every day have to be monitored. Okay, some days you have to just leave it on that way, because that can make you happy. Ultimate in the end of the day, our peace and happiness is the ultimate thing that matters. Am I right? Okay, so let's come to the topic. Then what? Regarding the food. Dears, when you open the Instagram reel, you can see a lot of salads, okay? A lot of smoothies and all. Don't confuse your system, don't confuse your system. Your system is a poor thing, okay? Then who is the villain? Your mind and tongue are the villains. If you ask me, I will be telling that. So here what you have to do? Definitely make sure you are taking some warm, cooling, cooked foods. Okay, it is not like that you are dumping your system with a lot of raw salads, because these raw salads, first they will be giving you fullness. Then what is the next sensation it is going to give you? Bloating, constipation. Okay, we are seeing a lot of patients nowadays in our OP. Many of them are on a salad diet, and now they want the help of a doctor. So please don't go with these foolishness. So instead of that, go with cooked warm food, and also the fruits also. Make sure if they are don't take it together with the breakfast and all. Okay, you can take the fruits between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Okay, it is not like that after lunch I will take the fruits, after dinner it will be taking the fruits. Dear, again you are confusing your system. Don't confuse your system. Okay, so take in this way. Okay, then you can include cucumber and you can include bottle gourd, bitter gourd. All of these food items are actually good for your system because it cools your system, it purifies your system, purifies the blood inside your system. Okay, so please go with these type of food items. Okay, and regarding the drinks, as I have told, you can go with, okay, fruits. Try to take the fruits as fruits, never in the form of fruit juices. We doctors always tell like that, okay, because nowadays we know that the diabetes cases are keeping on increasing. Okay, so let's go in that combination and let's include some healthy fats. So what are the healthy fat you would like to include? Ghee, you can include coconut oil, olive oil, avocado. These oils you can include, okay, because these all are pitta pacifying. So let's go with these type of diet. Okay, then lunch, never skip your meals, food timings. Okay, take your food on time, very important. Okay, because many of them I have seen, one day you will be skipping a meal, 2 days you will be skipping a meal, and if you're keeping on skipping, what is happening? Next, it is going to create acidity, ulcer and many other digestive issues. Why you want to actually experiment with your own system? Okay, it is a poor thing, right? We have to help it. Okay, so these are the things definitely you have to follow when it comes to the food. Yeah, the main thing I have skipped, one main thing is that your food diet must not be so bland or it must not be so spicy. Make sure you are including sufficient spices in that. It have to be in a medium texture because too much of spicy items, too much of carbonated drinks and too much of salty items, too much of oily fried items, these are again going to actually create toxins inside your system. Okay, and if it is creating toxins inside your system, you will be suffering from all type of digestive ailments. So if at all you are having any digestive issues, your mind cannot work properly. Everything is connected according to Ayurveda. Okay, so what do you have to do? Definitely you have to cut many of these items. Don't go with these too much of coffee, too much of tea and all. Make sure your body is enough hydrated with water. Okay, water or cooling like fruits and all. Whenever I tell cooling, don't think like that it's refrigerator items. Definitely it is not refrigerator items. It is a water boiled with either coriander, cumin or ushira like that. Okay, so these all can cool your system. And definitely mental health is very much important. So regarding the mental health, I have told you, don't be an S person because if you are keeping on taking the project of many people, definitely you will be getting burned out. Finally, you wanted to be a good person, I know, but finally you will be having that name of a bad person. Okay, and your energy will be burned out. So protecting your energy is very important here. Okay, and what are the next things what we have to follow? So next thing what we have to follow is actually our sleep timing, regulate our sleep timing, meditation, do journaling also. When you start a day and end a day with meditation and journaling, it can of course help your Vata and Pitta to be in balance and also take care of your diet and food style also. So let's learn when the Vata and the Pitta are balanced, what all benefits can you get? Okay, first and main thing is clear skin. Okay, then you will not be experiencing much hair fall, your digestive system is pakka perfect, you will be having good sleep if your Vata and Pitta are in balance. But what happens if your Vata and Pitta are not in balance? Acidity, bloating, constipation, hair fall, you will be anxious, you will be having a lot of stress factors. Okay, you will be irritated. Your sleep will not be okay. And how about your skin health and eye health? Definitely it will be going in a toss. Okay. Okay, dear. So that much. So I think so. I have conveyed most of the things that a Vata Pitta constitution person have to follow and what all symptoms a Vata Pitta person is going to suffer and all. So please go through this video. If you have any doubt, please drop in the comment section. Thank you, dears, for watching this video and supporting me. Thank you.